Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and I would like to show you how to make this Easter wreath from supplies I purchased at Dollar Tree. You can purchase supplies for this wreath from the affiliate links in the description below. Let's get started. From Dollar Tree, you will need a floral wreath. I used a 10-inch, some ribbon, which I used burlap ribbon, a plush animal, and socks. You will also need some basic household crafting supplies. Cut a 2-inch section out of the floral wreath. I used a hacksaw to do it, but you can use whatever you happen to have in the house. And then cut the socks right above the heel. Take the sock and feed it onto the floral wreath through the opening. Do the same thing with the next sock. Now for this project, I used 2 pair of knee-high socks. And what you do is you can just overlap it like that. After the socks are on the wreath, use some tacky glue to glue the section that you cut out back onto the wreath. While you let this dry, you can start making the bow. From the burlap ribbon, cut 1 strip 13 inches long, 1 strip 10 inches long, a strip that is 4 inches, and 2 strips that are 6 inches long. The 6-inch long strips will be used for the tail, and you should cut an angle on one end of them. To assemble the bow, use your hot glue gun and put a little strip of glue on the one end. Then attach the other end to it. That was the 13-inch strip. Do the same thing with the 10-inch strip. Now, place those 2 strips on top of each other and accordion pinch them together. Use a piece of floral wire to keep the accordion together. Fold the 4-inch strip into thirds or halves, whatever you like. Use some hot glue on the back of the bow. Press the strip onto it. Wrap it around. Put some more hot glue on the back. And tack it down. And if it's too long, you can always cut it off a little bit. Now we're going to attach the tails. Overlap them. See where you want to position them. Then put some hot glue on there and also on here to hold them together. And just hold them on until it dries. And there you have your bow finished for your wreath. The wreath is dry, so just put the socks all the way around to cover up the wreath, gathering them the way you like. Take your plush animal, and I think I would like mine to be right about so. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun again to attach it to the wreath. If you have trouble attaching it with the hot glue, you can also use a piece of string and tie it around the neck and around the wreath, and it would stay that way. After you have that on, then attach your bow wherever you like it. And there, your Easter wreath is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to make this affordable Easter wreath with supplies from Dollar Tree. Needle Pointers was compensated for this video. As mentioned before, the description section of the video contains affiliate links, and we will be compensated if you make a purchase by clicking on the links. Subscribe to our channel because we post videos regularly. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great source for craft and hobby information. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for lots of crafting projects and information.